program is really connected to our mission at the College of Medicine to be a premier medical school and to be a medical school that's here for us all. By doing these programs, we're really going out and getting students right from our area, getting them excited and well prepared to go into health careers. We're really fulfilling what's core to medical school.
A lot of times high school students aren't exposed to hands-on lab work, they're not exposed to research, and that's some of the things that we wanted to show them this week, to get them involved and show them the importance of these things, especially if they want to go on to medical or health careers.
Alright, so the organism that we put on here was what? E. coli. You guys have heard about E. coli before, right?
So some of us in here right now may be harboring a MRSA strain on our skin, but it's not causing us any harm because it hasn't gotten to the underlying tissues.
To see the kids get excited and to be so animated about these classes and the experiences that they're going through helps revitalize my own passion and my own hope. And I think that's something that is important for these students, as students who might not have been exposed to it otherwise, to just give them a realistic idea of what it's going to be like to be going through these experiences themselves and to prepare themselves so that they can be as successful as possible.
The gel is a bunch of pores. Think of like Swiss cheese. The smaller fragment, don't think of a wiffle ball. Okay. We'll take the gels to the back of the room, we'll look at them, and we'll go ahead and compare the bands between the crime scene and the suspects.
This disease occurs in about 1 in 5,000 children in the U.S. It affects males more than females, but it's more severe in females when it does occur.
These neural cells are really important. They require specific balance and specific distance between each neural cell.
Fatty acids in the coronary arteries. And what happens is that as that accumulates, the space within the arteries gets smaller and the blood flow is not allowed through.
Group 7. We actually have a 2-part gift for you. We have $15 iTunes gift cards for you. We are also presenting you guys with certificates to take pre-college human anatomy through Azalea Science Institute.
Our dream is that we can encourage these children in Osceola County to go into medical careers and maybe someday work here in Medical City.
It opened up my eyes to a lot more professions out there because I thought it was just the basic like nurse, doctors, and PTs, but there's a lot of options and I really enjoy it.
I think that the students are finding this very rewarding. They're enjoying it now. They're asking about what do I do next? You know, what job shadowing opportunities are there for me? And what do I do now to pursue my career?
I wanted to be a heart surgeon, so we got the heart, a sheep heart, and then they let us cut us open, look at all the insides. They taught us about the heart and stuff, and that like solidified what I wanted to be because I like enjoyed that greatly.
These students will have a leg up on just about anyone else because they've been through this program. So they're intelligent, they're well behaved, they're motivated, and that says a lot for the students, the parents, and I was very pleased with that they're coming from my school system.
If you can figure out when you're making a choice between two things, which choice you would make out of courage and which choice you would make out of fear, always choose courage and you'll never have any regrets. You'll have some failures, I have a bunch, but you won't have any regrets.
We've had such great support from the teachers, the faculty, the students who are ahead of the high school students who help us out.